apples.
You washed your apples?
Yes.
What are you going to do with them?
Drying off my apples, thin clean.
Where are you going to put the apples now?
Eat them.
When?
Eat them.
Are you going to eat them now?
No,
When
not yet.
When are you going to eat them?
Where
do they go?
A teeth. Yes, that's right. Wash.
Ayla, what are the apples for? Who's going to eat them?
At school.
At school? Are you going to put them back in the fridge?
No.
Where do they go?
Here. Down here.
Where? Okay, now where do they go?
Up here.
Okay, let's dry it off. Show me where you're going to put it. Good job. That actually is dirty water, huh? Good job washing.
In my tummy. Let's dry it off. Finish. Now we done. One, two.
What's in there? What do you have?
Apples and fruit. Snacks. And apples.
What's that for? Where are you going to take it? Where's
At
this?
school.
At school? You're going to bring this to school?
With my car. Let's get some food.
Some food? Okay.
Which one do you? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
What are you going to eat?
Which one is a favorite? Which one do you think, Mommy?
What are you going to have?
I have
Of course, gotta have cucumbers.
The end.
Oh, 3 cucumbers. Wow, that's a lot.